Let's play with Play-Doh. I want to make an octopus friend. Let's make one big ball. Let's get 8 pieces of Play-Doh and roll them into 8 balls. Roll. Now we have to get the 8 little balls and roll them into tubes. Tube, tube, tube. Now let's get the 8 tubes and roll them into tentacles. What animal has 8 tentacles? That's right, an octopus. Let's give it 2 big octopus eyes so it can see the whole world. What are those? These are spots. Spot, 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 spot. Let's give our octopus pretty spots. What do we do now? Now we can play with it. Yay!